And here we go.
Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is part I was promising you in the last video. We get out to play in the dark. So you get to see just how bright the lights are on moose. Kind of get an idea of what it'd be like to wheel at night with me. So we're looking forward to getting out and doing some wheeling with some people, night wheeling. Hopefully soon. And I'm hoping also to do it down in Utah when we get down there. I'm going to try to organize with some people and do at least one night run down there. I hear it's amazing. So anyways, I hope you enjoy. This is just a short video just to show you a bit about what it looks like and the area we were playing.
As you can hear, Moose is running much better, not as chuggy, and seems to have more response when I step on the gas. Now you may notice this isn't the obnoxious bright of the overdone LED lights. What I'm trying to accomplish is seeing the area in which I'm wheeling and that people around me can spot me well without blinding other riders around me. I'm not wanting to make the other people around me blind if they're looking towards my vehicle or I'm behind them. So we may change some of these up more to a flood than a spot. The ditch lights, I'm thinking of swapping them out. We'll see how it goes. had a company by the name of Maiker reach out to me with some really cool stuff. They carry UTV and a lot of Jeep accessories. Now, unfortunately, I don't have a Jeep, so they sent me some stuff, and I passed it on to Mike, Smoking Mikey, and here's a little look at what we got and what he thought of it. And link for the company is in the description, and check out what they got. Pretty cool stuff.
And we've got a quick mod for you for anybody with a JL or JT. We've got from a company on Amazon called Maiker. This is what they call a gear shifter storage box, or more or less a Molly panel storage box for right there. And this is actually made out of aluminum. So you get one for the driver's side and one for the passenger side. So I'll show you guys quickly how to install it, because it's actually really quick and super easy. So right here by your gear shifter, you're gonna just want to pop this little panel off, kind of like that. Then you want to take out this one bolt. Then once you peel all of the double-sided tape on the back, you use the supplied bolt and washer, and you secure this in there using those, and the tape will hold it all snugly in place. And there you have it. It's all secured in place, and with the seat all the way forward, it still fits in perfectly. Now I'm gonna go ahead and throw in the other one on the other side, but if you guys want to pick one of these guys up, then definitely check out the link and check these guys out, because it's a very well built product for not too much money.
Well, that was fun. Moose and I are back home. He's a little muddy. We did find a bit of mud out there, but we had fun. Can't tell some of the old mud with the new mud, but anyway. That was fun. It's running a lot better, and I look forward to getting out on the trails. Now we do have the locker. If I can get that in before I go out the next time, that'd be even better, but we'll see. But for now, I hope you enjoyed that, and hit that like, hit that subscribe, share if you can, and I'll see you next video.